Introducing the Hayward double union TB ball valve. This valve is designed to offer precise and reliable flow control in your piping system, without sacrificing durability and resistance to corrosion. The valve is built with high-quality materials, with a PVC body and EPDM seals, to ensure long life and excellent resistance to corrosion and chemicals. In addition, it features Hayward's patented Cem-Ros technology, which provides increased resistance to corrosion and weathering. The Hayward double union TB ball valve is extremely easy to install, with a double union design that allows for a secure and leak-free connection. It can also be used with an actuator to enable automated flow control in your piping system. With a 1-inch diameter, this valve is ideal for a wide range of applications and needs in your piping system. Whether you're looking for a reliable valve for your water treatment system, chemical systems, or industrial processes, this valve is the perfect choice. In summary, the Hayward double union TB ball valve is the perfect solution for your piping system, with a unique combination of durability, corrosion resistance, and ease of use. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Order now and experience the difference that the Hayward double union TB ball valve can make in your piping system.